Hi everyone, I'm here to demonstrate how to turn on your smartboard and how to use your OWL. So step number 1, we'll have you come closer and you're going to hit this power button right here on the front of your smartboard. So now it is powering up. It's called box light. As soon as we come to this screen, now sometimes it might go straight to your desktop, sometimes it'll come to this screen. What happens if it comes to this screen? So on either edge, you're going to have 2 arrows, and you will click the 2 arrows and then click what looks like a TV icon. And you're going to go ahead and select OPS by touching that. So now it is booting up. So once it comes up, you might get some updates, right? Just like a regular computer, like your computer, it might have to update. And if not, it will go to your login screen. So once it's updated and you get to this screen, what you're going to do is with your hand, you're going to swipe up. And if it comes up with a different teacher's name, what you want to do is come here to the bottom corner and touch Other User. And now you're going to go ahead and put your username. So I'm going to use, hopefully you have a wireless keyboard, and just go ahead and type in your username. Now, one of the troubleshooting items is the keyboard actually has an on and off switch. So if it's green, it's good to go. If it's red, it means it's turned off. So make sure that your keyboard is turned on. Once you have put in your username and password, you'll notice that this is the first time I've signed in. So it takes several minutes for it to go ahead and recognize me and link me to all my other accounts. Don't forget, your username and password that you put into this giant computer is the same as what you do when you enter your laptop. It's your first last name at sweetwaterschools.org and then your original password. So now, as you can see, this should look familiar to you because it's an actual computer. It looks like your laptop computer. It has all the same functions on the bottom of the screen. You can also, it mimics your desktop. So this is just like a giant computer. So whatever you can do on your laptop, you actually can do here as well. So the first thing you'll notice, it does have the Windows icon on the bottom corner. So if you touch that, here is your list of all of your apps. So you can either type in the search bar here at the bottom what you're looking for, or you can go through alphabetically. For example, if you're an ESL teacher, it's already preloaded. You have an ESL folder. If you touch the folder, you'll notice that you have all the standout levels. So if I am level 2 and I touch this, it will now come up, and this you can, just like you would on your laptop, go through and open up what you want. So Google should be preloaded onto this supercomputer, and actually you should maybe have an icon either on the desktop or if you come down here on the bar. If you don't, again, you can type search here, and with your handy dandy wireless keyboard, you're going to go ahead and type in Google Chrome and enter. And it opens up Google Chrome for you. Now, if you already have it on your desktop, all you need to do is double click on the icon, and it will open up your Google Chrome. When it opens up the new page, if this is the first time you're using Google Chrome, it's going to ask you to set as the default. This is very good option. So I'm going to go ahead and touch it. It will open up your settings, and what you'll do is you'll go to something called web browser. Okay, you're going to go ahead and touch whatever it says, and you're now going to select Google Chrome by touching the icon. And it'll say, before you switch, try the new Microsoft Edge. and I say switch anyway. So this bottom one, switch anyway. And now you'll see the default is your Google Chrome. Now go up here to the top corner, hit the X to close. You can see that the window is not full screen. So just like you would in your laptop, you're going to come up here to the box to the left of the X and touch it to make it full screen. You can also see at this top right corner is you're not signed in. So you want to go ahead and go to an app that you use, like Drive here, and then it will prompt you to sign in by clicking Go to Drive. You're now going to type in your email. So this email is not your .org. This email is your .net. So I will type in and demonstrate audrey.deardorff@sweetwaterschools.net. And then you would click Next or hit your Enter button on your keyboard. So now you would enter your password and hit Enter on the keyboard or Next on the screen. Okay, now your Google Drive is up, and how do you know that you signed in? So up here, top right, you should have either your initials or your picture, right? And so this is how I know that I'm signed in, as well as these are all the things that are on my drive. So anything in your drive that you can access from your laptop, you can now access on the giant computer.